Hi, I'm Varun Sarwal, and I'm the founder and CEO at Hammer Missions. At Hammer Missions, essentially, we help you collect high-quality drone data for drone missions. So, as you know, drones are now being used for all sorts of purposes, whether it's mapping farms, inspecting buildings, or looking for people in search and rescue operations. So we essentially make the software that flies the drone automatically to collect high-quality data that you can then use for informing business decisions. We've been used for over 10,000 drone flights so far, and we continue to build our software platform to improve efficiency and data quality. When I first started, I think it was essentially just myself building the software myself, sort of building the product, doing almost everything myself. And I think that's how most companies start. And I think that Ordnance Survey and Geovation were sort of the first organizations that sort of understood what I'm trying to do and then understand where the gaps are and then sort of provide help and support towards that. They were also the first source of capital into the company. So essentially working with them allowed me to sort of build a sort of framework around me to understand that I need to kind of think about a team in the future, think about all the other aspects of the business that I'm not an expert in, get advice on those aspects, and also essentially bring me into a geospatial community that sort of helped me understand all the challenges I'm gonna find on the journey and sort of prepare and plan for those. So that was really instrumental in the early days. At first, it was quite overwhelming because there's a lot of things you have to learn very quickly. I think that sort of coming from an engineering background, you're not very used to sort of taking risks. You actually want to make things that work, and you want to sort of make sure that things don't break all the time. So I think it was a bit challenging for me to sort of like move away from that mindset into the mindset of starting something and being okay with sort of things are going to fail and we're going to have to sort of like keep building even though we fail. From my perspective, having that sort of backing Ordnance Survey, I think that's incredible. I don't think that you can get that at the startup, especially in the early years, and so having someone like Ordnance Survey alongside is a great partner to have for sure.